Farm animals. Farm animals. What's this animal? It's a dog. 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 Dog starts with D. D. D for dog. D. What's next? What's that one? It's O. O. Then G. Dog. G. 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 Dog. D. O. G. Dog. 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 Do you know this one? Yes, it's a dog. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. What about this one? Are you a dog? No, I am a horse. 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 Horse starts with H. H. O. R. S. And E. Horse. Horse. Horse starts with H. H. O. R. S. E. H. O. R. S. E. What is it? Horse. Yes, horse. 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 Horse starts with H. Horse. Horse. Is that a horse? Yes, it's a horse. Horse. What is this one? Is it a horse? No, that's not a horse. That's a cow. 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 Cow is a farm animal. Cow starts with C. Then O. O. Cow. Cow. Then W. W. Cow. Cow. What is it? It's cow. What? Cow. C-O-W. Cow. 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 That's the sound of a cow. Cow. Is this a cow? No, that's a goat. Goat. Goat starts with G. 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 Goat. O. O. Goat. Then A. You're right, that's A. Then T. T. Goat. 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 Goat is a farm animal. G-O-A-T. Goat. 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 What is it? It's goat. Goat. Goat starts with G. Goat. Goat. What is this one? Yes, that's a chicken. Another name is hen. Hen. Hen starts with H. H. Hen. Then E. Hen. Can you guess the next one? Yes, it's N. N. Hen. Hen. Hen is a farm animal. H-E-N. H-E-N. What is it? It's hen. 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 H-E-N. That's a hen. Hen. Hen is another name for chicken. Is this chicken? Yes, it's a bird, but that's not chicken. That's duck. Duck starts with D. D. Then U. Next is C. Then K. Duck. Duck. Duck starts with D. U, C, and K. Duck. Duck. What is it? Duck. Yes, duck. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Duck. What is this one? I'm sure you know it. Yes, it's a pet, but it's also a farm animal. It's cat. Cat. Cat starts with C. C for cat. Then A. Cat. T. Yes, T. Cat. C. A. T. Cat. 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 C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. What is it? Cat. Yes, cat. Good job. What is this one? These are two rabbits. Rabbit. Rabbit starts with R. Rabbit is a farm animal. R. A. What is this one? B. Yes. Then guess what? Another B. Then I. And last is rabbit. Guess it. Yes. T. Rabbit. Rabbit. R. A. B. B. I. T. Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit is a farm animal. Rabbit. The rabbit is hopping. Rabbit. What's this? Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Let's count. 1, 2, then 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. And next is 4. We have 4 sheep. 4 sheep. 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep, 4 sheep. 4 sheep. 4 sheep. Next is cow. So 1 cow, 2 cows, 2 cows, 1 and 2, and 3 cows. 3 cows. 3 cows. Then 4 cows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cows. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 cows. Goats. 1 goat. 1. 2 goats. 2, 1, 2. 2 goats. And 3 goats. 3 goats. 1, 2, 3. 3 goats. 1, 2, 3. 3 goats. 3. What is it? Duck. That's 1 duck. 2 ducks. 1 and 2. 2 ducks. 1, 2. What is it? That's a camel. 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 C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Camel. 1 camel. 1 camel. 1 camel. Then 2. 2 camels. 2. 1 and 2. 2 camels. Horse. That's 1 horse. 1 horse. 2 horses. 2 horses. Then 3 horses. 1, 2, 3. 3 horses. 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.